Hi, in this video, you will learn how to leverage Log360, the unified SIM solution from ManageEngine, to detect ransomware attacks. Ransomware is a malicious software that encrypts business-critical data or blocks complete access to endpoints until a ransom is paid. It is characterized by unusual file downloads, the starting of new Windows processes, followed by multiple file changes such as file creations, modifications, or deletions. File modifications such as the addition of unique file extensions are usually a clear sign of ransomware attacks. To successfully execute this attack, threat actors may instruct the malcore to target and encrypt files such as Word documents, spreadsheets, compressed files, and Java source code files, and then add unique extensions like CryptoLocker, Locky, CCC, or Cerber. Some of the most popular ransomware attacks are characterized by their signature file extensions. The attacker's goal in adding file extensions is not just to display the success of their attack. They also do it because having unique extensions makes it harder for security solutions to recognize and combat them. By changing the extension, ransomware effectively locks the file format, rendering it unusable without the decryption key. But most importantly, branding the files with these extensions serves as a reminder to the victims of what's at stake if they don't pay up. This fear factor can prevent victims from approaching the authorities and paying the ransom instead. To prevent or detect these attacks, it's important to understand how it works. Ransomware attacks usually have 5 stages: initial exploitation, installation, backup destruction, encryption, and extortion. Initial exploitation is how attackers gain entry into the victim's network. To do this, they use methods such as phishing, brute force attacks, or malvertising to download the malcode into the victim's system. In the installation stage, the malcode gets executed and is installed on the victim's device. It then attempts to elevate privileges and increase the spread of infection by moving laterally. After gaining the required privileges, the ransomware may find and destroy backups. It then encrypts the organization's sensitive data and critical files. Depending upon the sophistication of the malcode, it may target files on its own or rely on the attacker's instruction through the command and control channel to target and encrypt files. After encryption, the malcode will add unique file extensions and make the files inaccessible. In the final step, attackers demand a ransom in exchange for data. They usually request ransom in the form of bitcoins or other cryptocurrencies in an attempt to evade detection. Now let's see how a unified SIM solution like Log360 can help in a situation like this. Log360 comes with predefined rules for identifying known ransomware streams. Correlation is the process of identifying a sequence of events across one or more devices which are all related and form a single incident. You can find such out-of-the-box rules for various security use cases under the Correlation tab of Event Log Analyzer or the SIM module of Log360. Select Manage Rule and click on Search to find the correlation rule for ransomware detections. To understand how the rule works, let's make a copy of the rule. The correlation rule for detecting ransomware alerts you whenever a Windows file is created with a file type associated with known ransomware attacks. However, the criteria for the rule to be triggered is that there should be at least 3 files with a specified file extension type created within 5 minutes. This single rule can help you detect multiple ransomware strains such as the CCC, Cerber, CryptoLocker, TeslaCrypt, AlphaCrypt, WannaCry, and more. You can also create custom rules for identifying more ransomware strains. To do that, use the plus sign to create a new filter. For example, if you wish to detect the ESXi ARGS ransomware using this rule, create a new filter, choose the OR command, and input file type equals ARGS and click Create. While this tool will help you detect ransomware, to get timely alerts, ensure that you enable the alert profile option available beside the rule name. You can find the reports on ransomware detections that we just discussed either by using the Search Available Reports option or by using the drop-down menu under Ransomware Attacks. Apart from giving you a visual representation of the number of correlated events, Log360 provides details such as when the action occurred, the associated domain, the device, and the name of the user involved. Click Event Timeline to track the entire sequence of events responsible for a generated alert. Click on Details to learn more about the individual events such as file type, device type, process name, logon ID, object name, and event ID. Log360 also comes with SOAR capabilities. This means that if you associate a response workflow with an alert profile, Log360 will be able to carry out certain automated actions such as stopping a process or a service and logging off and disabling the user. This can help you stop an attack on its track. However, to prevent future attacks, here are some steps you can take. Implement MFA, review user privileges, and grant access based on the principle of least privilege. Identify gaps or weaknesses by reviewing and updating your security policies. It's also important to develop and document comprehensive incident response procedures. And lastly, strengthen your data backup and recovery plans and invest in employee training and user education to prevent future attacks. If you have any questions or would like to get a personalized demo, please send an email to log360-support@manageengine.com. Thank you for watching this video. If you wish to see Log360 in action, visit this link and download our product. You can also get a free 30-day trial of Log360 and evaluate how it satisfies your requirements.